Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cabin Crew Rashid here. Today we're gonna talk about skin, since a lot of them opted for skin, and let me tell you, I'm not the right person to talk about skin, but still I can recommend the products that I use in my daily life, or if I have used as well. So skin is basically a very sensitive part of your body, and it is very important when it comes to skin, because your job depends on your skin. And just not for cabin crew or for models or for any of them, for all human beings in fact, because we tend to look good, we want to look good, and we want to present ourselves well. So skin plays a very important role. So I would definitely tell a few things that you can consider, and I'm sure it can also help you in your skincare. Always hygiene is very important when you're dealing with your skin. Hygiene is super important, so always make sure you maintain a good hygiene. You use the right water, you use the right product, you use the right thing on your skin. And nails, when it comes to nails, also do not use your nails on your skin. Whatever it is, use your fingers or use your palm. This is how you can make a roll. Nails should not be used on your skin. That is also very important. I personally kind of a person who do not believe on chemicals, who do not believe on bleachers, who do not believe on facials. I am kind of a man who keep away from such stuff. Yes, not bad, not bad, but I do not up for it. I always given priority and preference to natural skin, and natural care and natural remedies. Okay guys, first sharing with the face wash that I recommend is Cetaphil face wash, one of the beautiful face wash, and it has one of the best quality recommended by the highest doctors. This face wash was been referred to me during my modeling time, and from that time to now I'm using it. Like right now I just woke up and I had my face wash. This is how my skin looks. So yes, this is how the face wash works, and this really works well. Cetaphil face wash. This is one of the best product. This is suitable for all the skin types. Lot of actress, models, crew members, lot of into modeling and field and glamour world people use this Cetaphil face wash. It is one of the highly recommended face wash. Okay, something that products that I use is which has aloe vera. Aloe vera is very important for skin. Like your skin cells also needs vitamin. Your skin cells also need water. They also need something to refresh it. They need something to fresh up themselves. The cells demand it. What cells demand? If you provide the things to cells, then cells relife it. They produce good products. They produce a good quality of your skin. So the products should be in right quantity and quality. So this is one of the products which I use in the night. That is aloe vera gel. That is Soundarya aloe vera gel. So this is the one of the best product I also use in the night, which I apply on my face and I sleep off. If something pops like pimples or acne, something pops up, I use the other one, which is again Soundarya aloe vera gel Kesar Chandan. Kesar Chandan is also very important product. This is one of the best product which I recommend. It is to be used in night completely, and morning to wash it up in the water. So these are the very, aloe vera has a natural superpower for skin, so it helps well. Okay, the next product, again, as I said, skin requires vitamins, and vitamins are very important. So to provide vitamins to your skin, for your face or for your body, it's very important to give the correct vitamin product. There are a lot of serums, there are a lot of soaps, there are a lot of products, but looking at the low cost and the best product, which I recommend is the almond drops. The almond drops have 300% vitamin E. It has vitamin E of 300%. So this is one of the best product that I have been used, which gives my skin a glow, which gives my skin good hydration. So I depend on this almond oil. And yes, again a superpower tablet which is called as Avion. This is called as Avion 400, sorry, Avion 400 tablet. This is vitamin E tablets, capsules. Those capsules are called as vitamin E capsules. This is again to provide vitamins to your skin, so that your skin cells can relife, it can get fresh, and can produce good quality and good skin glow. When you rub your skin or when you touch your skin, you can see, like if I'm touching my skin, how it goes down. And if you can see, the clear surface and the moist. It's just because of those products that I've been using from long time. And these are the products, guys: the face wash, Cetaphil, and for the night I use this aloe vera, and vitamins I use this capsule, and I use this almond oil. The capsule can be used in a way where you can take the capsule with the aloe vera gel, mix it up, and then apply gently on your skin. And the moisturizer, something this is called Biotex. It has always been my favorite. Biotex brand has always been a favorite. It is one of the amazing product. Anything you want to buy for skin, moisturizer, lip balm, or scrub, or whatever you want to use, you can go for Biotech. Biotech is one of the amazing product. One of the amazing product which has very less in chemicals and which has a beautiful texture. It has a very texture. Men's and women's skin is completely different, whereas our skins are rough and it is firm, whereas women's it's very sensitive and it's very dedicated. So right things of right products are important. And guys, you can use if you have acne, go for honey, lemon, and turmeric. Mix it up. Since honey and turmeric has anti-bleaching properties, it can clear your skin. And for clear skin, who has a skin like me, who has a clear skin, can go for lemon. Once in a time, lemon is very important. Like weekly once, or after 2 week once. Okay, it depends on you. If you all have a clear skin, no acne, clear skin, lemon drops can be used on your face, and after 15 minutes can be washed, because lemon has an anti acid and it's a natural acid. And have a lot of plenty of water. Plenty of water is the main reason to keep your skin alive and to keep your skin glow and keep your skin perfect. And have a lot of water. Watermelon is super important. Let it be for skin or weight. Watermelon have three properties. One is anti-inflammatory property, which helps to balance your weight and helps to balance your skin glow. The next product, it has the energy, and it has hydration, which hydrates your skin. And yeah, these are the basic products, guys. Please use lemon for clear skin and scrubbing skin. Use for tan also, you can use chandan. You can use turmeric with lemon and with curd. It is also super good. And you can use tomato. Tomatoes completely help you to peel your skin and to rejuvenate your skin for a good way. So these are the natural products you can use. But end of the day, I will tell you to recommend. I will recommend you to visit the doctor, because skin is very important, and it is good. It is very important to take care of your skin at the earliest stage. And doctor is the one person who can treat your skin perfect. So hope this information helps you all, and I shall give you the picture of this in my status or in my post. Please enjoy it. Take care of your skin, and all the very best.